Voice. Cowboys running back Joseph Randle was arrested again in Wichita, Kansas this time. The original call was domestic violence. He ended up getting a citation for marijuana. And Judy writes, you know what I would like to see in the news? The players, ex-players who are doing good, like Tim Tebow, the ones who know how to do good things with their money and fame that they have obtained. Next, Florida Representative Alcee Hastings, who was once impeached and removed from his federal judge position for taking bribes, but elected to Congress from Florida, this week called Texas a crazy state, and Cindy didn't like it. I urge my fellow Texans to boycott the state of Florida for 1 year and take our crazy money to other states who appreciate us. I imagine that might make a difference of opinion. I don't think it would change his mind. Finally, you know, I make so many mistakes. Now people are hearing mistakes that I didn't make. Faber writes, can't believe I just heard Steve Eager say have went. Well, Faber, I have went through the tapes of the earlier newscasts today, and I could not find any places where I said have went. Let me hear from you, 214-720-3103, or send an email, click About Us, then contact us at fox4news.com.